Black Rat Productions, brought to you by the Black Rat. Welcome, 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 welcome. And we have the card of the day. Guys, this is the 2025 Dodge Ram Crew Cab 1500. But this will fit the 2019 to 2025, the Warlock, the Bighorn, the Laramie, the Quad Cab, the Traceman. All these vehicles, guys, this interior can go in it. And this, guys, is our factory match, where it has perforations in the center, black, with a contrast stitch to match in the vehicle. And I know, guys, it looks like crap, but wait until we finish this installation so you can see how beautiful this transformation is going to be. Let's take a look at the toy. And here you have it, beautiful 2025 Dodge Ram. Let's see. It has cloth. For sure it needs leather, because this is what happened, guys. You see, it start to get stained, and this is brand new vehicle, so don't do that. Please get leather. It has a beautiful steering wheel in leather. Everything seems perfect. And this is the contrast stitch that we want to be using in our kit. This is the factory, exactly as you see right here. Same thing, but in leather. Beautiful double map pockets, and it has an armrest right there. All those features are going to be put back, guys. So this is exactly the same product that we sell to the dealers. So you don't have to pay $8,000, $12,000 for the follow interior in this truck. You can get it in cloth, bring it to us, or order your kit so you can do it at home, office, or workplace. And upgrade to leather, guys. Beautiful truck. I love it. And guys, you want to transform your vehicle. You don't want this kind of thing in your car. You don't want cloth. Go to LETDOWN by Upholstery Technology so you can order a factory match just like this one, or a custom design. We have over 60 different colors, endless combinations, contrast stitch, piping, special editions, custom patterns, diamonds, double hex, honeycomb, and many, many, many others. Exotic materials like ostrich, alligator, suede skin, you name it. We have them at LETDOWN by Upholstery Technology. Guys, like and subscribe so you can see more transformations, techniques, and how to do installations for your beautiful leather seats at LETDOWN by Upholstery Technologies. Because, guys, we are demystifying the installation process. Is not that difficult. You can do this for sure. And again, wait until I finish this installation so you can see how beautiful it's going to be. I see you guys in the next video. And it is completed, guys. The 2025 Dodge Ram. And now it's beautiful. Take a look. Totally custom match stitch. And see how beautiful now it is, guys. This is our factory kit for the Ram 2025. Beautiful, beautiful leather interior, guys. You want this, absolutely. Again, guys, look at that. Beautiful stitching, beautiful perforations. You want it, you deserve it, guys. Change that cloth, ugly, uncomfortable cloth, for leather at LETDOWN by Upholstery Technology. Guys, you can order the factory match, which is this one, a custom design in more than different colors, over 60 different ones, combinations, contrast stitch, piping, special editions, custom patterns like diamonds, double diamonds, hex, double hex, double diamonds, honeycomb, and many, many others. You want exotics, ostrich, alligator, Swiss kit, you name it. Get them at leathertech.com by EM Upholstery Technology. Guys, like and subscribe so you can see more transformation techniques and how to do installations for your beautiful leather seats at leathertech.com by EM Upholstery Technology. Make an inquiry, guys. Put it in the comments. Give us a call. Let me show you the map pockets. Double map pockets. Beautiful, beautiful interior, guys. Thank you. Please visit leathertech.com by EM Upholstery Technology and make an inquiry or sign up the newsletter for specials and promotions. And guys, I'll see you in the next video. Black Rat Productions brought to you by the Black Rat. Thank you, guys.